Yes, so as Jim said, my name is Tyler Hannon, and I'm the platform evangelist for IPCommerce. IPCommerce is a Denver-based software company that was really founded around solving some obvious needs in the payments marketplace. And a few of those needs are the ability to payment enable any application, to, after enabling that application, provision payment services to that application, and to address the issues around security and compliance that go along with that. Again, IPCommerce is a little bit different. You know, they put us in the other category, and that makes a lot of sense because we are an other. Our partners actually have reached to 1,000+ banks. We partnered with Chase Payment Tech. We partnered with BankServe. We partner with developers who we distribute free tools to who are able to build new payment-enabled workflows for the small business. And we partner with the person who owns the small business relationships, like a bank. IPCommerce, and this is key, remember, IPCommerce does not own the relationship with the small to medium business. We're a technology enabler. We're there to enable our partners to capture a new market opportunity in a very quick and simple fashion. So what I'm going to show to you today is I'm going to show to you what I call dynamic service provisioning. That's a service-oriented architecture term that really means I'm going to push service to software and I'm going to do it right away. So let's take a peek at Rapid Receipts. Rapid Receipts is an application that was developed by a developer using our tools to payment enable QuickBooks. It's a multi-service application. One thing to keep in mind, 57% of small businesses, according to BAI, would be willing to change their banking relationship for better access to payment services. Now also, 45% of small businesses actually rely on a software developer to help them make payment decisions. So this is a software developer who's built multi-service enabled QuickBooks. You can see that right now, I just have a credit card processing service. Keep that in mind, it'll become important in a minute. So now I'm going to log into the IPCommerce platform, and I'm going to log in as a sales channel. Keep in mind that this is, for the purpose of this demo, a bank. And when I log in, I'm given a bunch of options. First one I'm going to look at is, what services do I have available for me to consume? You can see that I have service agreements, I have service bundles. I'd be happy to discuss those in great detail. The point is, I need to be able to sell services across the product silos that may exist within my bank. That's what this is all about. It's about cross-selling and it's about upselling. So let's take a quick peek at my merchants or small businesses. You can see I have one in the black that happens to have credit card processing. I also have a small business out of the red that has card processing and remote deposit. So I'm going to go find that small business. I'm going to look at my back office portfolio where an accounting application would live, and I'm going to pull up out of the red. I'm going to look at what their activation code would be, and I'm going to copy this activation code. So now I'm no longer the bank. I'm taking off my bank hat. I'm putting on my small business hat. I don't understand payments. I know someone presented me a payment type and said, accept this, and I'm like, okay. I don't know how payments are provisioned. I don't know how the workflow works. What I do understand as a small business is software activation. So as this business, I've been upsold remote deposit capabilities. And I'm going to go ahead and I can configure my application as the business to accept those. All I have to do is I have to enter an activation code. It's all been set up out in the cloud, if you will, by the bank. When I click next, this is actually going out and it's talking to the platform and it's saying, who do I belong to? What services are available for me? You can see that I have to enter a password here. Let's see if I can enter it right twice. Nope. Actually, this is a good point. So the reason that this password field exists is because the tools that we provide to developers, we've spent a lot of time and effort making sure that they mandate security and compliance concerns for things like payment application best practice, PADSS, multi-factor authentication as mandated by the FFIEC. This is a way to make sure that those software solutions you offer to your small businesses are secure. It's actually encrypting the data on my machine. While it completes this, a couple of things to keep in mind. We're doing this for credit, for remote deposit capture. I'm now able to process those payments. It also supports ACH, stored value, loyalty, gift flows, e-commerce like PayPal, Google Checkout. The IPCommerce platform, the tools we provide to developers are a way to brand payment solutions, to offer them to the channel, to capture a new market opportunity, and to do it without incremental cost. Thank you.